Greetings from Themerex team. Today we'll review a brand new theme, Anesta. It was designed for Intranet, Extranet, Community and BuddyPress projects. It is currently trending on ThemeForest and customers love it for its flexibility, features, design, code quality and customer support level. So let's check the theme's demo. First, you'll see a presentation page. On the top bar, we have links for demos, docs and support. Then we can see the target audience, online communities, intranets, e-learning, memberships, job boards, stores and knowledge bases. Then we have 4 pre-made demos: Intranet, Extranet, Community, News and online courses. Next we can see some of the theme's features: dark, light mode switcher, login, logout, charts, polls, calendars, side menus and widgets. Then we have a BuddyPress plus BBPress and also sub-pages designed for these plugins. Next we see that the theme is based on Elementor. Some more benefits like free lifetime updates, free XD files and support, pre-made pages and elements. Then we have the supported plugins. As we can see, there are lots of them. Next we can see integrations with Woocommerce, events calendar, paid membership and knowledge base. After that we have a Learn integration with courses and lessons, job manager support, design features and some additional features. So let's go up and check demos. The first one is Intranet, Extranet. On the top bar we have a logo, sidebar toggle, search bar, language switcher, messages, notifications, my account, profile and logout. Then on the left side we have a scrollable sidebar panel with all the links. In the main area we have news, warnings, calendars, charts, courses, job board, polls, etc. It's just to give you an idea of what you can do with your site and what you can add to your pages. On the right side we have a color scheme switcher to change the mode. Now let's open another demo. For example, community demo. Here we have news, a feed with updates, forums, etc. The next one is the community news demo. Here you can see some community news and events. And finally, the e-learning demo. It allows you to create an online education platform with the Learn plugin. You can create free and paid courses, lessons, quizzes and tests. You can also follow up with the progress of each course you take. Please note, the Learn plugin has to be purchased separately from the plugin's author. Let's open one of the courses. Here we have our progress bar and course content. It can be text, audio or video. We also have an instructor here. It can be a third-party person or a member of your community. Now let's review our left side panel. All elements there are separated by modules. On the top we have links for demos. Below we have all the elements for the community module, knowledge base, activity, messages, etc. Next we have the e-learning module, courses, lessons and topics. Then we have a job board manager module with jobs, resumes and candidates, and some other modules like membership, shop, news, charts and some pages. Now let's check the community module. Site members can post their activities by telling what they have on their minds, add photos, videos, create and join different groups, customize their profiles just like on Facebook. If we open one of the groups, we can join or leave it, check the forum, course, docs, members and send invites. In messages we have a contact list, activity, profile, notifications, messages, friends, groups, media files, etc. In members section we can see the active members, we can set or cancel friendships, view profiles or send messages. In groups we can search through the groups, check all of them and join them. The Forums module allows the creation of different forums, groups, and topics where site members can have discussions, ask questions, etc. The next module gives you an opportunity to create online and offline events. You can display them as a calendar or as a list of events. They can be paid or free. Each event may have the image, price, description, details, venue, and people can add it to their calendars. In the Documents module, your site members can create and edit documents online. They can read them, edit, and check the history. We already checked the e-learning, so we'll skip it for now. In the Job Manager, we can check all the jobs. We can search by keywords, location, and filter by type of the job. For example, freelance, full-time, part-time, etc. When we open one of the vacancies, we can check the job description and apply for a job. This module has also resumes, where you can check CVs on the site members, and also it has a candidate dashboard, where you can create your own resume. In the Post a Job section, you can create a new job and it will appear in the vacancies. The next module is Membership. You can create free and paid memberships. You can also add different pricing plans and access levels. You can restrict your content for one membership plan and show it for another one. Next we have a Woocommerce. You can create an online store for your intranet or community. Woocommerce is fully supported here. The News module is the WordPress blog functionality with different layouts and display features. If you work with numbers, you will definitely like the Charts and Graphs module, where you can create and customize different types of charts and post them on your pages. And finally, we have additional pages that we can also use in our website. Now I'll show you this theme from the inside. I have a fresh installation on my computer. It looks exactly like the demo. As you can see, I already have one message and one notification. I can check my read and unread messages. Also, I can go to my profile, check my activity, edit my profile, and change my photo and cover image. Now let's open the dashboard. Our extensive knowledge base is located under the Knowledge Base menu in the dashboard. Here I can add new articles or edit current articles. I can also manage categories, tags, configurations, and even check analytics of my knowledge base. The activity section is posted automatically when you or your friends do any actions. Next we have community members. They are managed by the BuddyPress plugin. You can manage them in the site users dashboard or on the front end. Groups are managed in a separate post type. Here you can add new groups and edit current groups. You can also edit the group from the front end by opening it and clicking on the Edit Group link on the top of the screen. Next, we have forums with different active topics. We can find this module in our dashboard. Here you can edit, close, or delete the forums and topics in them. Events are managed by Events Calendar plugin. It is included in the theme free of charge. On the back end, we will have it under the knowledge base. Here we can manage events, categories, tags, venues, prices, etc. And again, you can switch the view of your events from the calendar to the list and vice versa. The Documents module is for sharing and collective file editing. It is also available as a separate element in the dashboard. Here you can add new docs, edit them, and delete them. And again, it can be done from the back end and from the front end. You can also check the history of edits. Now the job board. We have a separate module called Job Listings on our backend. Here we can add new jobs, manage job types, add different settings. On the right side we have an active job offers. We can view them, edit or delete. If you have the proper access level, you can do the same from the front end. Resumes in the job board add-on that has to be installed separately. We will skip it for now. Next we have membership. Let's see how it worked from the inside. Here we have a dashboard, members. Currently we have only one member. Next we have all orders for free and paid memberships. Then reports and settings. In settings you can create and customize different membership levels, add description, pricing, restrictions, categories of content that these members can have access to. The shop in Anesta is fully managed by Woocommerce. You can add products, categories, manage orders and customers. The news section is a blog. By the way, you can change the layout right on the front end. The news themselves can be managed in your posts. Charts and graphs are managed in the charts model. You can use different types of charts. Let's open, for example, the pie chart. It works like in Google Sheet or Excel. You add the data and the system generates the chart. Let's add one more value to see how it works. And we immediately see that our pie chart is updated with our new value. Below you can customize the chart's type, theme, height, and other settings. And finally we have our additional pages, where we can find typography options, shortcodes, contacts, etc. In the shortcodes we can see additional sections that we can copy and paste onto the pages of our site. And finally, let's see how we can customize our pages. On the top bar of our page, click Edit with Elementor. Each and every element can be edited, moved or deleted with the drag and drop page builder. Just click on the block and you will see its setting on the left side panel. Hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe for more useful tutorials.